feeling, now it's time.
Are you as ready for the holidays to be here as I am? I'm telling you, it's the 1st of November and I am getting so excited this year about the holidays, about decorating. Well, this is my monthly Walmart video where I share with you some of my very favorite Walmart products that are coming up within the next month or so. And I'm partnering with Walmart to share these items with you. I think for a while now, and even still, Walmart is for sure a really best kept secret. I am ready to deck the halls with Walmart. I really haven't done a lot of decorating or holiday decorating this past year, but I think maybe because of that, I am getting excited about Christmas this year and decorating around the house. And look at these pajamas. Can you believe these are Walmart? And 2 pieces are under $20. I'll tell you about those in a minute. But I wanted these to get me into the spirit. And for the past probably 8 or 9 years, I've done different colored themes, where it might be blue, or it might be sort of a turquoise color, or it could be red, or it could be just silver, or it could be, and I don't know yet what it's going to be this year. But trust me when I tell you that for the past several years, I have very definitely had a theme with my decorating. And I'm going to show you just a few pictures that you can see and see if you can guess what it is.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas.
Yeah, did you guess it? Deer and trees. For some reason, I love decorating with mainly just deer and trees, and they just go with any color scheme that I might have. And I have quite a collection of deer and Christmas trees, or just trees in general that I can use for Christmas. And this year I decided for my Walmart favorites to look to see what I could find that would fit into that deer and that tree collection. And you can probably see here what I'm showing you. We'll start with the tree. I'm almost positive I do not have a crystal tree or a mirrored. This is not crystal, it's the mirrored glass. Is this not beautiful? I hope. You can see how big it is. I can't wait to do my decorating and to display this. I love it. And listen, it was so affordable at Walmart. It was under $16 for this mirrored tree. I could use this for the rest of my life, and I think it will still be as beautiful as it is this year. And what an affordable price. I love it. The first little deer, look at her, well, or him. He comes with the wreath around his neck. And you know, that's something that I usually do with my deer, is I put a wreath around their necks for the holidays when I display them. And I'll change those up from time to time. But this little deer with his antlers and with his little wreath, look at him, how stately he or she is. I love this deer. this little deer, you're so cute, you're so cute, was under $16 also. I love it. I love it. Love it. And the last one, look at him. Oh my gosh, can you see the size? And he has, or she, I'm not sure if does have antlers. I need to check that out. But he has a Noel tag around his neck. And he's under $20. $20. I love him. I absolutely love him. I do not have a deer like this at all that even resembles this. I think he's just so unusual. So unusual. Oh, goodness. So I have 3 new additions to my tree and deer collection this year. Do you have a particular item or items that you have been collecting for many, many years that you always decorate regardless of your color scheme or where you live or how much or how little you put out? Do you have something like that that you actually collect also? I'd like to know what your collection is, so leave me a comment and let me know. I will say that this is just the very beginning of my purchasing Christmas, not just Christmas decorations, but my holiday clothing. Let's say holiday, my holiday loungewear and pajamas. There's just so much, and I'm just amazed. I'm always amazed that what I'm finding at Walmart is so on trend and so affordable. I look at these, the deer and the tree, and this would be so much more in any other store, so much more for the same pieces, for the same quality, for the same look. I am so tickled to be able to save money on items that I collect and display. It just gives me a warm, happy feeling. There's going to be a link in the description or the show more box below so that you can go right to it, click on it, and order these items if it's something that you want. I just think you can't go wrong. I know many of you are so much like me. You really are. You've been telling me that for years. You like the same things. You like the looks. You like the way I decorate. You like what I wear. You like my makeup. And you want to know where you can purchase things. And it just makes me feel so good to be able to share these items and Walmart.com with you. And these pajamas, can you tell I love these? Oh my gosh. These are the Joyspun Plush Cable Long Sleeve Hooded Top and Pants Pajama Set. And look, they say joyful on them. Oh my gosh. They're this plush, cozy, comfortable pajamas, loungewear, I would call them. These would be perfect, just perfect, if you have holiday company especially. Oh, just to be able to wear at night or in the mornings when you're getting ready for bed, or Christmas morning. I can imagine wearing these either Christmas Eve or Christmas morning for Christmas morning brunch. They're just perfect. And would you believe they're under $20? They are so cute. 2 pieces. 2 pieces. Plush, warm, cuddly, love, love, love. Oh, and by the way, I have something to show you at the very end of this video that I think you will get the biggest kick out of. So make sure and stay tuned for it. You'll be glad you did. I want to thank you so much for watching today. You guys, I appreciate you more than you will ever know. I hope if you saw something that you liked in this video that you'll just go into the show more and click the link and check it out for yourself. These are just things I collect, but there are actually items starting at 98 cents. I mean, think about that, 98 cents. As my daughter would say, choose joy. Choose joy. Joy is a choice. Choose joy, and as I would say, be kind. Be kind to yourself so that you can be kind to others. Know that I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Sometimes life goes easy, sometimes life goes do-do-do-do. Sometimes minds go crazy, sometimes minds go